Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus Limited Edition revealed. Royal Enfield has revealed a new limited edition motorcycle inspired by the World War II model, which was used by the British paratroopers, the Flying Flea. The limited edition model is named as the Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus. The limited edition model is based on the iconic REWD 125 motorcycle. The REWD 125, which was also known as Flying Flea, was a two-stroke motorcycle. The Flying Flea was airdropped at battlefield. The two-stroke bike was lightweight and it was popular among the messenger as they could carry the bike on their shoulders when terrain gets too difficult to ride. Royal Enfield has stated that only 1000 units of the Classic 500 Pegasus will be manufactured and just 250 units will be retailed in the Indian market. In the UK, the limited edition motorcycle is priced at Rs GBP 4999, approximately Rs 4.5 lakh. In India, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus is likely to be priced around Rs 2 lakh ex-showroom. The limited edition Royal Enfield motorcycle will feature a Pegasus logo on the fuel tank, military style canvas painter, leather strap with brass buckles, and a tank badge similar to the REWD 125 or the Flying Flea. The handlebar, headlight bezel, exhaust muffler, engine, and rims are blacked out. In the global market, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus will be available in two color options, olive drab green and service brown. In India, only the brown color will be available. All the limited edition motorcycle will carry a unique serial number which will be embossed on the fuel tank. On the mechanical front, the Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus will draw power from the existing 499cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine producing 27.2 bhp and 41.3 Nm of peak torque. The curb weight of the limited edition bike stands at 194 kg, which is identical to the standard Classic 500. Thoughts on the Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus. The Royal Enfield Classic 500 Pegasus is inspired by the legendary REWD 125, which was popularly known as the Flying Flea. Only 1000 units of the limited edition model will be manufactured and only 250 units will be sold in India. The motorcycle will attract the buyers who love to collect vintage bike or like the classic bikes from the long gone era.